Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will talk about the wrap option in auto layout. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I'll be drawing few objects here. For example, you have these objects aligned like this. See, that's it. Okay, so let's give them a color so that it's too much light. That's it, I think so. This is fine. Now to apply auto layout, click and select all of them, like click and drag to select all of them all together. Now shift and A. The shortcut is shift plus A. Okay, now uh, how you are going to increase the padding around this one. Okay, so I'm going to hold on control key and then click on this option here. Now I can control the padding around the all the objects all at once, like four sides control I have now. Now see, this is how it is increasing. Okay, that's it. Now I'm going to add a fill. Okay, now let's see how this behaves now. So this is how it is behaving, right? Now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to select on this option here which says wrap. Now if you see how smartly it is aligning all the objects inside this frame, right? See, so this is what wrap does. Okay, so that is it. If you have got any doubt in this topic, so let me know in the comment section and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, thank you so much.